Now let's take a look at a multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com, because that's the best way to learn whether you are a CPA exam candidate, accounting student, enrolled agent. You want to practice question. So let's take a look at this question. A CPA recklessly, that's the keyword, issue a false financial statement for a company or recklessly prepared a tax return. The word recklessly is important. The statement is later used by investors, bank, and suppliers, none of whom had contract with the CPA, and they all suffer losses. Which statement is true? Now on farhatlectures.com, before you answer the question, you could ask AI to explain the topic of the question. Then we have 4 answer choices. The CPA is only liable to clients due to the privity rules. Is this true? The CPA might be liable to anyone who relied on the statement for fraud or constructive fraud. Is this true? Liability extend only to foreseeable third parties. Only investors could sue since they invested based on the statement. So which of these statement is true? Well, let's take a look at the easy one. When we say recklessly, it's more than negligence. And once we are out of negligence, well, it has nothing to do with privity. Does not protect you. The privity rules do not protect you. And liability is not liability extended only to foreseeable third parties. No, it's more than foreseeable third parties. So A and C are out. We are left with B and D. D, only investors can sue since they invested based on the statement. How about the banks that lend you money or the suppliers? That's unfair for them, right? So we can eliminate D. Let's look at B. The CPA may be liable to anyone who relied on the statement for fraud or constructive fraud. Indeed, when we say recklessly issued the financial statement or recklessly prepared the tax return, that amounted to constructive fraud. Once it's constructive fraud, the net has widened. Anyone can sue you as long as they can show the elements of fraud. And it's constructive fraud. All what they have to show is gross negligence or recklessness. So the answer is B. What should you do now? You want to go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional multiple choice questions. Use AI. Use my AI video chat as well to help you understand the concept. Farhat Lectures is here to help you do better in your courses, in your professional certification. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make, and stay safe.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.